Welcome to our channel. Today, we're walking through the easy process to activate your Citi Double Cash card quickly and securely ensuring you can start earning rewards right away without any hassle. Welcome to our channel. Activating your Citi Double Cash card is a simple process that you can complete in just a few minutes, allowing you to begin enjoying the benefits and cashback rewards immediately. To start, make sure you have your Citi Double Cash card and personal identification information handy for verification purposes. Step 1. Visit the official Citi website or download the Citi mobile app on your smartphone. Using the official channels ensures your information remains secure throughout the activation process. Step 2. Log into your Citi account if you already have one. If you don't, creating an account is straightforward and necessary to access all card features. Step 3. Once logged in, navigate to the Activate Card section. You'll be prompted to enter your card number, the 3-digit security code on the back of your card, and your social security number or other identifying information to confirm your identity. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, which may include setting up your PIN and agreeing to the terms of card usage. Step 5. After completing the verification steps, your card will be activated. A confirmation message will appear, sometimes accompanied by an email or text notification. Step 6. To verify your activation, try making a small purchase or checking your card's status through the app or website. Remember, if you prefer not to activate your card online, Citi also provides a phone activation option where you can call their customer service number and follow the voice prompts to activate your card securely. It's important to activate your Citi Double Cash card before making purchases to ensure all transactions qualify for cashback rewards. By following these simple steps, you can start leveraging your card's full benefits with confidence and convenience. Don't forget to keep your account login details safe and monitor your transactions regularly to enjoy a seamless and secure credit experience. If you have any questions during the activation process, don't hesitate to contact Citi's customer service for prompt support. Activating your Citi Double Cash card is the first step towards smart spending and maximizing your rewards potential. Now that you know how easy it is, go ahead and activate your card today. Enjoy your shopping with added cashback rewards. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found this guide helpful. Your support means a lot to us and helps us bring you more useful tips. Stay tuned for more content designed to make your financial life easier and smarter.